everyone must take such a tour on the very first day. Michael was a good guide and the trip well planned. Doesn't involve as much walking as one may expect in 2 hours. Even 8-year-old kids can do it. Thank you Stefan for taking us around Hong Kong. Really enjoyed it. Aussie Aussie Aussie. Oi. Learn how to live a life as Hongkongers. Walking together into our authentic culture and discover how locals live their daily lives on this walking tour. Visit vibrant local wet markets in Hong Kong, where fresh meat, seafood, and traditional snacks are sold. Step into traditional bakeries to learn about the unique flavors and baking techniques of Chinese pastries. Along the way, uncover the fascinating stories behind mahjong culture, paper offerings, and the role of goldfish in feng shui, gaining a deeper understanding of Hong Kong's traditions and lifestyle. 2. Explore local spots never mentioned on guidebooks. Step off the beaten path to uncover local spots in Hong Kong that rarely make it into guidebooks. Let's dive into the hidden side of busy tourist spots, including secret upstairs stores at goldfish markets, and the wet markets in the municipal buildings. These off-the-radar locations highlight the true spirit of Hong Kong, showcasing a side of the city that most visitors never experience. 3. Go beyond just a tourist. This tour is beyond the standard tourist activities, offering the real experience into Hong Kong's culture. Learn how to enjoy the legendary century egg like a local, discover how to judge the quality of a live chicken by blowing air on its butt, and explore the fascinating theories and ingredients behind Chinese medicine. Perfect for travelers seeking off-the-beaten-path experiences, let's step into the city's vibrant traditions and uncover stories,